Hey, Isha. This is Pam calling from Sky Residences. Is now a good time to talk?
Hey Pam. Sure, it's a good time to talk.
I wanted to check if you had a chance to look at the Brooklyn apartment listings we sent you yesterday.
Oh, yeah, I did. I really liked the one on the 41st floor. That had a great view. I can't recall the name.
I see. You're talking about 4101, Skyview Apartments. That one's been getting a lot of interest. Would you like to see it in person? We can set up a quick visit.
Yeah, I'd love to check it out in person, but I'm really busy on weekdays. Can we set it up over the weekend?
No problem at all. We can arrange for a visit this Saturday between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yeah, I don't have anything planned for Saturday morning, so I could drop by at 11 a.m.
Perfect. I'll book your spot for Saturday, 11 a.m. Also, I'll send you a quick email on your registered ID with all the details, including the address, timing, and who to contact when you arrive.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Very welcome, Isha. See you on Saturday at Skyview Apartments.